Good morning, guys. Jared here, back with another video. And today we're gonna actually be in the show. We're going to get ready. It is currently like 7 in the morning. I have to go ahead and prepare everything. We need to get the Grom. We need to get the Slam Grom on the truck to get it to the show. So that's gonna be pretty fun. And then we need to go register her. So it's pretty cold outside. Hopefully it warms up. All right, guys, before we actually go to the show, I did want to go ahead and touch up these spots right here. You see where it's like where I fell. Some stuff like right there as well. Right there's a spot. I do want to touch those up, so I bought a pen. Same ones that I kind of use like for the wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and get a rag right quick. All right, guys, so I tried to like do my best so I can focus you guys in. I tried to do my best on that right there. Probably let it dry and then hit it with another one, but for right now it'll do the job. We actually need to get to the show. What time is it, bro?
7:30.
7:30. Okay, the show starts at 8, so we need to get there pretty quick. Let's go ahead and load this thing up on the truck and get moving, guys. We lit, guys. We lit. Alright, guys, we're on our way to the actual show. The Grom's already in the show. I just forgot to bring my camera, so I'm on my way over there. Well, actually, we're gonna go get breakfast, and then I'm on my way over there. But I'll pick you guys back up whenever I'm at the show, alright? See you guys soon. Guys, we at the fun spot. The Grom's already actually inside the show. I kind of bring it in early in the morning, like around 8 in the morning. So it's already in there. It's been in there for quite a bit, some time. I'll show you guys in just a bit. We're getting lit. Like this has to be one of the funnest trips I have ever been to, or at. You know what I mean? But we're lit. We got the taco. We got the photographer. You already know. Hey, shout out. I'm gonna put your Instagram right here.
Fronty Media. Instagram.
Fronty Media.
Slammed Enough and Back Riders photographer. You already know.
You know.
Shout out to the Back Riders fam. Shout out to Slammed Enough fam.
Slammed enough. But yeah, I'll put his Instagram around here somewhere so you guys can actually go ahead and follow him. He does photography. He does really good photography, so let him know if you ever need anything. Oh look, we got some Jigsaws, guys. We got the Jigsaws. Slam Grom. Fredo, where you at? That boy Fredo aired out on the Meisters. Oh my god. That's that bag D92 _ 704. we out here with the 8.6. Is the 8.6 on the Daisy? What? Right hand drive? That's crazy. No. The Camry? The Camry out? No. Oh my god. This is gonna be crazy. This is crazy. Got boost? Wide body Fiesta? Wide body Fiesta looking fire. Look at that. Ah, wide body. Hey, I want to air out right next to this one before we leave so I can take a picture. I want to air out right next to it before we leave. CS230? Or what is it, C230? Guys, the amount of cars that are here right now is unbelievable. Crazy stuff. Bro, we have a Sentra. We have a static Sentra. I think that thing's static, right? I'm pretty sure that thing's static. Maybe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, I ain't never seen anything like this in my life. I've never seen anything like this in my life. A Sentra. This is a Sentra, boys. That's a Sentra. Carly, that's a Sentra. What? That's a Sentra. That's amazing. I need to step my game up on the ground. Guys, look at this McDonald's. So we actually decided to eat McDonald's because there's really nothing out here that's open that's not like a 30-40 minute wait right now, and we're really not trying to do that. But we came to this McDonald's. This is like one of the biggest McDonald's. Look at this thing. It's a whole warehouse. It's a whole warehouse with palm trees, and they made it into a McDonald's. Hold on, bro. Slow down. Slow down now. Look at this big ass McDonald's. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where they at? Where they at? What's up?
There even has elevator.
Bro, they have an elevator. They have an elevator. I ain't never seen a McDonald's with an elevator. Where's Joey and them?
I think they're upstairs.
Can you order upstairs?
I don't know. I guess.
For here, I guess. What are you gonna get? He got a waffle. You got a waffle at McDonald's, bro. I ain't never seen nothing like that done before, bro. I ain't never seen something like that done before, bro. Alright, we about to eat here. Let's get it, let's get it. What do I want? Let me get a waffle. Ooh, strawberries. Bet.
Oh my god. Pero tuviste ya la aplicación.
Guys, this is crazy. This is like, I have never been to a McDonald's this big. Like, it has an elevator. We're at McDonald's in an elevator. I've never seen something like that before. We up here though, we up here. We have McDonald's and it has an elevator, bro. An elevator, bro. An elevator. An elevator. I was vlogging in the elevator. What you mean?
I got this at McDonald's.
God, at McDonald's.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Nowhere, only in Florida.
No.
It was your alarm. Bro, I know we were supposed to get our drinks downstairs.
Yeah.
Oh no, I didn't even get one of these.
You didn't get a drink?
I actually got a caramel frappe.
Oh, no, you never been here?
So they're probably gonna bring that to us.
No, we sure to see. No, you never
Pancho, you gonna have to grab a seat, bro.
It's McDonald's. They ain't hung out. Oh yeah, for a McDonald's though, you gotta admit. You got an elevator, what do you mean, bro? I don't want the dollar menu. You can pay by yourself? There's no dollar menu, bro. Hell no. I swear that McChicken biscuit usually costs me like $1.
It was like, it did add up. Like, what you ordered like what, 4 things? And it was like, $20 for the food, bro.
But I'll call you back in a little bit.